JavaScript, a language that revolutionized the web, has an intriguing history. From its humble beginnings to its current dominance, let's explore the evolution of this dynamic language. In the mid-1990s, Netscape Communications sought to make the web more interactive. Enter JavaScript, created by Brendan Eich in just 10 days. Initially called Mocha, it quickly became a cornerstone of web development. As the internet expanded, so did JavaScript's capabilities. The introduction of Ajax in the early 2000s allowed for asynchronous web applications, making websites faster and more responsive. JavaScript's versatility led to its widespread adoption, becoming the go-to language for web developers. Today, JavaScript is more powerful than ever. With frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, developers can create complex applications with ease. The language has evolved to include features like ES6, bringing modern programming concepts to the forefront. Looking ahead, JavaScript continues to innovate. With advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence, the possibilities are endless. JavaScript remains at the heart of web development, shaping the digital landscape. For more insights and tutorials, subscribe to Code with Mosan. Stay updated with the latest trends and enhance your JavaScript skills today.